Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't.
Good morning, you guys. I don't know if it's a new vlog. It's not a new vlog, it's a new week. Well, yesterday was Monday. I kind of vlogged yesterday, but I was really focused on getting stuff done in the house, which I'm gonna do today too. But I cleared memory on my SD card. Y'all got like 6 SD cards and all of them full. So we only get posted one video, but we're not gonna talk about it. So just dropped the girls off at school. We had a late start today. They were definitely late. Clearly I'm tired. I haven't had my coffee yet. I'm gonna go in the house and get me some coffee. And then we're gonna start this day. I have quite a bit of things that I gotta do today. Well, no. It's only 2 things that I really been trying to do today. But they're gonna take all of the day. I have to clean the girls' room today. Well, I don't have to clean their room. Their room is actually clean. I need to clean out their closet. Y'all, my kids have so many clothes. Like, y'all gonna see. I'm just giving y'all a heads up. I have to clean their closet. And I have to clean their playroom. Y'all know Christmas is coming. It's time for us to purge. Okay, we gotta get rid of some of these toys. It's probably gonna take me about 3 to 4 hours. Because it's so much stuff. Like, I'm talking about they got stuff from last year Christmas that they never even opened. Like, it's that much shit. But I do that every year. Christmas is my favorite holiday, so I really get excited. That is my season, okay? That is my holiday. So I normally go big or go home. So with me doing that, they have accumulated a shit ton of toys. But yeah. So that's the plan for today. I'm gonna go in there now. I'm trying to get excited about it. This is going to require some work. It's really the playroom, y'all. That playroom is mayhem. Okay, it's mayhem. But it's time for it to get done. It's getting closer and closer to Christmas. Not to mention, I haven't done a lick of Christmas shopping. Prime Day done came and went. If y'all didn't know, I am an Amazon influencer, so I do have an Amazon storefront. So the things that I do buy for my kids, which should be in the next 2 weeks, will be in my Amazon storefront if you're interested. So just stay on the lookout for that, because I'm going to start Christmas shopping like literally this week. But it's just the fact that I haven't done it yet, because I normally start in September. September 1 is normally when I'm buying shit for Christmas. Yeah, y'all, let's go have some fun.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do? I'm not. As long as you joking now, in for me, I ain't got it. My bitch scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface.
We're about to get into, I told y'all earlier when I was taking the girls to school. So pause before we get into it. Come here, Topaz. Come here. Before you get a dog, can you see the people? You see the people? You see how cute they look? Look at them. Before you get a dog, realize it's like having a child. Here's my, let me get close so you can see my earpod. Is it going to show you? That's my earpod, y'all. And I'm not going to say no names, but a certain person chewed up my AirPod. Did you do that? But anyway, I'm gonna see if Apple. I know with the old AirPods they could like you can just buy one. If you didn't know, now you know. So I've been using my other AirPods. Now you want to come back up here? Come on. But the room is getting very much embarrassing. And I know I'm not the only person, the only mama who got their kids' playroom looking like that. So I ain't even stressed. I'm stressed for y'all to have to be exposed to what I'm about to show you. But y'all ready? So once we change, so the girls' new playroom is gonna go here. You know what? One of these days when I get my house together, I'm gonna give you a house tour. Girls' new playroom, girls' old playroom, and then this is gonna turn. This playroom that I'm about to clean is gonna turn into a closet or a cloffice. That's really a cloffice. My mom said it's a cloffice. She's so into like all of that type of stuff. So I'm gonna turn that into a cloffice. I feel like it's a nice space. I can get some of that stuff that's in my room next to my bed because I have like a desk and all of them, like where I do my work next to my bed. But I really want like to put like a little sitting area over there. So I'm gonna turn this closet into a cloffice, and then we'll have the closet in the bedroom. Even though Kelly thinks that she about to get the closet in the bedroom, but she don't know. I'm gonna use some of that one and this one, but we're not gonna talk about it. Yeah, so we're about to get into this.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. 'Cause I got the plug, I made the call for me.
Good morning, y'all. Hello. Yeah, I'm bleaching my hair. Y'all will get like a tutorial the next vlog. This one I just put it together. But I do it weekly or bi-weekly. Depends on how quickly my hair grows. But y'all realized when I was editing this video that I never came back and showed y'all what the playroom looked like. So we didn't finish it completely, but we finished most of it. So I'll show y'all. It looks way better. We still have the giant ass mattress in here and these boxes, but the floor is pretty much clean. All of this right here, I just folded it up. That's their baby dolls and their stuffed animals and their strollers, and then their little crib is over here. But we still have stuff to do, so I didn't finish it completely. But my God, it looks so much better. We're gonna work on transitioning the stuff that I need to get out of here into that room. We're gonna do that today. But right now I'm about to go wash Topaz. So I have we're gonna wash Topaz in the girls' bathroom because I don't have a bath like this in my room. In my bathroom, I have a what is it called? Let me sit y'all right here. Ooh, y'all cricket, but okay. I have a jacuzzi tub and it takes way too long to fill up. So we just wash him in here, and I'm gonna give him. I want to put some. I feel like I saw a flea or two on him, so I'm gonna put some flea stuff. Well, not flea stuff. The soap that I use. So I use Pattern by Tracy Ellis Ross, and I also use this Bio Silk Pet shampoo and conditioner. So I use Tracy Ellis Ross and I use this Bio Silk, and it says that it's supposed to help with fleas and ticks. But we'll see. And I also use Olaplex on him as well because if you guys don't know, poodles, so I've been told, poodles have hair and not fur. So I treat his hair like how I would treat our hair. And he has curly hair, thank you God. So I don't have to worry about the straight hair, okay? I can do, because all the shampoo products that I have are for curly hair. So I don't use a lot. I use more of the dog shampoo than the regular shampoo, but I like to mix it in there because it gives them a nice smell. It makes them soft and fluffy. Y'all will see in a minute. But this would be a task for us, okay? Topaz he does pretty good in the tub. It's when he gets out of the tub and it's time to blow dry. That be a full on like war. Trying to clip his nails, cut around his eyes. Like I do all of that. I cut him. He don't go to the groomers no more because I sent him to the groomers at PetSmart. And the groomer that we had, she's very nice. But the last time he went to get groomed, and she's very good too. So if you're in the DMV area, the PetSmart and Waldorf, their groomers, I can't remember. I think her name is Casey. I gotta look on his app to see, but she does really well. But we went one day when she wasn't there. Baby, they shaved my baby bald. I'm gonna insert a clip if I can find it. Bald. Like when he went in and came back, I was like, "That's my dog." I was shocked, and he was just as happy. So that's how I knew it was him. But if he wouldn't have knew who we were, I would have thought they changed my dog out for somebody else's. I don't know what happened, what the miscommunication was, but yeah, so that's what we're about to do right now. I'm about to go get him right now because it cannot wait anymore. He went all week, and I try to separate it with a week. Like he gets washed every week. Comment below if you're like that dog person who knows. Let me know, because I don't. But I know ain't no dirty dog about to be on my bed. And the way he's light skinned, he like high yellow. You can see when there's dirt on his paw. I'm about to show you him. Hold on, let me go get him. Come here, Papa. So y'all see how he look right now, right? This is him. He's giving very much dingy, got the little darkness in the face. He's just giving dirty. He got a little black piece of wood chip right there. So that was the before. So now I'm just gonna go through the process. I'm probably gonna speed this up because the water gonna be loud. And yes, I put on the sweatsuit because it's about to be a wet ass mess. All clean. You all clean, Papa? Y'all hate recording in here. That's why y'all never see my room, because I don't like the yellow walls. It makes it look extra yellow. So yeah, I'm about to go wash this stuff out of my hair. Oh, you know I can do it in the bathroom. The walls in here are yellow too, but it's a white light, so it makes it a little better. Yeah, so Topaz is all clean. You smell good, Papa. Alright, Topaz, it's time for mommy to get in the shower. I gotta wash this out of my hair. I think it's done. Alright, y'all, I will talk to you guys when I get out of the shower. Gotta go. So I washed all my hair. This is what it's giving. I ain't do nothing. Ain't no toner, nothing in it. I just bleach it. So yeah, this is what it's giving. Hopefully the back is just as white as the front, because I ain't see the back yet. So tell me, is it white? Did I miss a spot? Hey y'all, come back. So I told y'all I was gonna come and show y'all the end results. I ain't do a good job. It's looking a little. It looked like I got hair, then I don't got hair, depending on how I turn it. But all my hair there, y'all. The shit is silver. It's giving a little. I don't know. It's looking crazy because you got the line from the scarf. Then I put I put too much product on this side. Rubbed it together, went like that. Bad idea. I should have rubbed it together and kind of just. You live and you learn. But this is the final result. We silver. We back to silver. And also, it's been a while later. I did my nails too. These some press-ons. I just popped on real quick. I've been doing a press on thing lately because, as y'all know, I cannot wear regular nails for work. So I have to deal with press ons on the days that I'm not there. So this is what we got. Yeah, I see it now. I scraped the hair up. It be so shiny. Like, I don't understand. It just be so shiny that I look bald. But I ain't bald, y'all. I just got... Watch that. Boop. We're not going to talk about it. But yeah, so... That's it for today's video. Like I said previously when I thought I wasn't going to end this vlog, thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to comment down below. Anything that I use in this video will be down in the description box, along with my Amazon storefront and my social media platforms. So follow me there as well. If you didn't hit the subscribe button, do that on your way out. And while you at it, if you got time, go on and check out the last video if you're new and you didn't. This is your first time here. So yes, also hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video or miss an upload. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Papa, you want to close us out?
Can't be